The thanks of Congress is a series of formal resolutions passed by the United States Congress originally to extend the government's formal thanks for significant victories or impressive actions by American military commanders and their troops. Although it began during the American Revolutionary War, the practice peaked during the American Civil War. Similarly, the Confederate Congress also passed resolutions honoring extraordinary performance to individuals or military units. Early years. During the American Revolution, the official thanks of Congress from the Continental Congress was often accompanied by a specially struck commemorative gold or silver medal. Among the recipients were George Washington, Horatio Gates, John Eager Howard, John Stark, Baron von Steuben, and Henry Lee. Other recipients in the early years of the United States include all participants in the Battle of Tippecanoe, Alexander Macomb, Oliver Hazard Perry, Charles Gratiot in the same war, and Andrew Jackson, William Henry Harrison and Zachary Taylor. American Civil War. During the American Civil War, the thanks of Congress were joint resolutions of Congress which were published in the statutes at large to honor officers from late 1861 through May 1866 for significant victories or impressive actions. A total of 30 officers were named in these acts during the war, 15 in the Union Army and 15 in the Union Navy. 2 naval officers were immediately promoted after receiving the award: John L. Warden of the US Monitor and William B. Cushing. Because the thanks of Congress was only awarded to officers, the Medal of Honor was created at this time to honor soldiers in the Army, and over 1,500 men received the medal by the end of the war. Only one officer, General Ulysses S. Grant, received both the thanks of Congress and a Congressional Gold Medal during the Civil War. The First Citation during the American Civil War recognized the gallant and patriotic services of the late Brig. Gen. Nathaniel Lyon, and the officers and soldiers under his command at the Battle of Wilson's Creek, the 10th of August, 1861. Admiral David Dixon Porter was honored the most, on 4 separate occasions. Others, later honorees included Admiral George Dewey and Captain Arthur Rostron. Also in 1914, 3 Latin American diplomats received this for their work at the Niagara Falls Peace Conference, which helped avert a war with Mexico. Civil War recipients.